Bitcoin had an exciting week. On March 27th, it started strong at $87,243, but the price dipped a bit, reaching $83,285 by March 28th. Don't worry, this is normal for Bitcoin. Remember earlier in March, Bitcoin dropped below $80,000. It bounced back then, and it can do it again. This up and down movement is what makes Bitcoin exciting. It's a roller coaster ride, but many believe the long-term trend is up. Right now, Bitcoin's market cap is huge, around $1.65 trillion. That means lots of people are buying and selling Bitcoin every day. In fact, the 24-hour trading volume is a massive $18.75 billion. This shows strong interest in Bitcoin, even with the price fluctuations. Analysts are closely watching a few key levels for Bitcoin. One is around $76,000. If Bitcoin stays above this level, it could signal continued growth. Another important level is $88,000. If Bitcoin breaks through this resistance, we could see it climb even higher. So, what's next for Bitcoin? Experts have some predictions. Some believe Bitcoin could reach $138,000 by the end of 2025. Others are even more optimistic, predicting prices between $180,000 and $250,000. Of course, no one knows for sure what will happen. The market sentiment is generally optimistic, but cautious. There's always a chance of unexpected events impacting the price. In big news this week, GameStop announced they are adopting Bitcoin. This move was inspired by Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, who's a big believer in Bitcoin. GameStop stock surged almost 20% after the announcement. This shows how much excitement there is around Bitcoin. When a major company like GameStop gets on board, it brings more attention and potentially more investors to Bitcoin. This news could be a game changer for both GameStop and Bitcoin. It's a sign that more and more companies are starting to see the potential of Bitcoin. The world is watching to see what happens next with Bitcoin. Will it continue to climb higher, or will it experience another dip? Several factors could impact Bitcoin's price in the coming months. Positive news, like more companies adopting Bitcoin, could push the price up. On the other hand, negative news or regulations could lead to a price decrease. One thing is for sure, Bitcoin is a volatile asset, but for those who believe in its long-term potential, the ride is just beginning.